Curious about how much Viral Vue costs and what each plan delivers? Let's break it down so you can decide what fits you best. Viral Vue supports creators at every stage, from total beginners to scaling pros. Think of it as an all-in-one toolkit for Amazon influencers and TikTok affiliates, with plans that grow as your content and income grow. First up, the free plan, absolutely $0. Perfect if you're just starting or not yet earning affiliate commissions. You get a Chrome extension overlay, brand deal tracker, top-bottom carousel data, and video placement tracking. The ability to optimize your storefront. And the core viral score tool all across US, UK, and Canadian marketplaces. That's pretty powerful for zero cost. Next, the starter plan, about $33 per month or $390 per year. Ideal for smaller creators with under 100 product videos. It includes everything in the free plan, plus product view with viral scoring and sales estimates, order history scanner to uncover items worth reviewing, storefront scanner plus spy to keep tabs on competitors, TikTok tools, order matching, product finder, and ads code manager. A comprehensive boost for influencers ready to level up. For serious creators ready to scale, there's the professional plan, about $66 per month or $790 annually. It includes everything from starter, plus creator connection tools to discover and automate brand campaigns, advanced product and ASIN viral finder analytics, web app premium video tracker, total influencer video count and CC campaign insights, and the TikTok product tracker. This tier is built for influencers optimizing every aspect of growth. So to recap, for free account, core insights and tracking great for getting started. For starter plan, ads research and TikTok tools, perfect for growing creators. For professional plan, full automation and advanced analytics for scaling seriously. Want to unlock the tools that match your growth stage? Click the link in the description to sign up for Viral Vue today. Whether you go free or upgrade, it's time to power up your influencer game.